What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Like I said, it's a 23 Escalade in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So you'll need the vehicle running, and then we'll take a look at our center screen. And we're going to click the vehicle information button right here. And that's going to take us to the vehicle information screen. And we see our oil life percentage right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then once it brings us to this screen, we'll click reset. And it's saying, are you sure you want to reset? Click yes. And as you can see, it's been reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.